Good morning. Can you say Happy Friday?
Mama,
Can you say Happy Friday?
my feet.
What happened? Huh?
When my feet is in my shoes. Mommy, Mom!
Be showing? What? Where? Which one?
Nemo.
Oh, mouse. Oh, God. Oh.
Nemo.
Okay, we'll get your mouse. Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Nemo.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
I do, Daddy.
I love you so much.
Oh, really? Eh,
Love
Daddy. Uy, go. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Hatid na namin si Ate Paris natin sa school. Yeah, it's raining last night. Tingnan niyo. Oh.
My, there's a car.
Basa mo yan. Oh.
This is car. Oh,
Come on. Let's go. So go.
Agini.
Is that Leanie's?
Yeah.
Okay. Mama, open. 1, 2, ready? Careful with your head. Oh, your turn. Okay.
Duck. TV. Auntie Perry.
Oh, okay. Wow, you're so strong, Leanie.
I did it.
I did it. Wait. There you go. Help you? Need help? Oh, okay. All right. Need help? Oh my
I got a butcher yesterday because I saw a dice on the floor and I returned the TV office and gave me a bunch.
Oh, really? Dice?
Almost dice. And I went.
Wow! Good job. Alright guys. So, drop na natin ang ating Ate Paris sa school. It's Friday and bukas ay meron tayong birthday party na pupuntahan. So, after dropping Ate Paris sa school, ay pupunta tayo ng shops para bumili ng regalo. Maaga kasi yung birthday party tomorrow. So, wala kami tayo pupunta ng shops beforehand. Ito pala yung outfit ni Mami niyo for today. Uy. Ayan. Got my what? Shirt. Tingnan nyo ang aking buhok guys. Diba? Mahal siya. Okay, naputol na ang ikot. And then, I've got my skirt. And then, there you go. And then, my bag. Ganyan lang ang paulan namin for today. Oh, cloudy siya today. I think it's only 27 degrees pa rin, so it's still very warm. Pero walang araw. Hi, girls! Hala, cricket sound. Hi, Lini!
I want Anya.
Anya. You want Anya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Can you go down now? Go down?
I want Anya.
Oh, Anya.
Anya.
Yeah, Anya's that candy. Okay, wanna give Ate Paris a kiss and cuddle?
No one had Kaka.
Oh, kada. Ate, she wants kada. Kada. Oh, knock, the slide is wet. Give me a kiss.
Everything is wet.
I love you. Have a good day, okay? And we will see you this afternoon. Tinanggal ang shoes. What did you do?
Oh, my knees need touch
Are you okay?
and hurt. I'm
Are you okay?
fine.
You're fine? Okay.
I'm fine. I help.
Oh, you need help? Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, no. Sige. Oh my God, bata ako eh. Sige. Oh.
Mama,
Ana, igo ra siya ginawas. You're silly Billy. Wait.
Fries hot.
Is it hot?
No, what help?
Get your shoes. Come on. What are you eating? Hot dog. Nanumbalay buntag sa'yo. Si Celine. Na? Dito kami sa friend ko guys. Na si Iken. Magpapaganda mo na, mag-down mo na siya ha before siya labas sa vlog natin. Pag pumunta kami dito, dapat sana punta kami ng shops but it's too early. So, buti na lang walang lakad si Iken tsaka si Baby Seth today. Baby Seth, still baby. Tinatawag ni Celine si Seth na baby even though Celine is babier than Seth. Ilang months lang ba na? Dahil na, pila naman ka months? Ano siya?
3 months?
May
August?
Yeah, 3 months. Tender juicy hot dog. Baka naman. Sponsor. Anak na? Eh? Iba jud ang lami sa para MSG pa ma.
Nung ini samday masalti madong hotdog diri ang anong magsige daw og palit Filipino hotdog. Lami man gud ang MSG.
Nami. Mao gani.
Mapalaan sa din.
Ako na tubig, Debe?
Ha? Tubig? Water.
Dili tubig.
Pag na-defrost ko ng tender juicy mo na ang color good, nasa water.
Yeah.
So it means na ay
Something.
color.
Yummy.
Pero lamig-yapon siya.
Well,
It's well?
Yummy.
The water. Nak, ayaw magdulay lang.
Yo.
Sayang.
Lamig dahil.
Dami ang lawan, anak. Water? Nam.
Pas-pas.
Grabe, uy, set, uy. Hinihintay lang namin si na Iken, guys. So, we are going to this cafe na malapit lang dito to try out. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon. So, i-try namin kung ano yung meron sila. And we're just going to walk. So, nag-park ako dito sa harapan ng bahay nila. Andyan lang. And maglalakad kami papunta doon. Lagay ko lang si Baby Celine sa pram. And then, we'll come back here later. And then, tsaka kami pupunta ng shops. Or, if not, if it's a bit late, then we'll go to the shops later after picking up at Paris. So, yeah. Laro-laro muna si Baby Celine. Because you know, she loves this. Tingnan niyo, oh. Yung bunga ba? Daot ra. Iwalang kumukuha. Lemon ba to? Very good playing, Lenny. It's Sam Jr. Hi.
The guy that I normally go to.
Oh no, what happened?
Over here,
Uh-oh.
his dog's bloke.
Good sharing.
Bloke. That's what
Hey, bloke.
Yeah.
Hey, blokey.
Just bloke. Just bloke.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Doggy.
So, it's now 3:30. Na-pick up na natin ang ating Ate Paris and all. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog. So, nasa bahay na kami, as you can see. Pero, aalis din kami guys, kasi pupunta ako ng post office. I'm just gonna show you kung ano yung naibenta ko. In the last couple of days. So, pinapak ko lang siya. Kasi ipopost na natin. First one is this Gucci Joy tote bag. Ganun. Pack na natin siya. Lagyan na natin sila sa kanilang mga dust bag. So, ito yung mga dust bag na ginagamit ko. And the second one is this Prada nylon na shoulder bag. Ito siya. Handbag lang ata to. Handbag lang. Ayan. And then, third one is this Celine na zippy wallet. So, kanina, dapat sana pupunta kami ng shops kasi bibili kami ng regalo for the birthday tomorrow. But, hindi nangyari kasi nag-stay kami kina Aiken like for the whole time. Actually, from their place, pumunta kami ng, ng cafe. Yes, my love? Hey! Pumunta kami ng cafe and then nag-chika-chika doon. And anong oras na kami natapos, umuwi kami sa kanila kasi pinark ko yung sasakyan doon. Oh, shush. Okay! Oh! Hey! Look! Oh! May batang umiiyak kasi nahihirapan siyang mag-choose ng kanyang damit. Oh my God. Yeah. Where is Lily going? Hindi natin ipakita kay tanggalin na naman niya ang kanyang hairdo. Okay, so hang on, hold it. Check if I got the keys. So it's now 6 o'clock. Oh my God, ang aking hope. 6 o'clock guys, and pupunta tayo ngayon sa school ni Ate Paris kasi meron sila. What are you having tonight lang? Art show. So every student gumawa ng art, yeah? You made an art, yeah? Yourself?
Every class.
Yeah, every class pala. Akala ko every student. So, I don't know why they have it for like 6 o'clock. Kasi late na, so it's from 6 to 8:30. Did you say they've got food there too, lang? Do you think they've got food trucks?
No, there's more that there is going to be food there.
Okay.
We even have dinner there.
Yeah. Oh, and it's raining. Diyos ko, Lord.
It has a shop.
Yeah. Umuulan. Alam niyo ba, wala suka-suka yung aking buhok. Kaya no? Since kanina, pag galing namin pag drop at Paris until now, gabi na. It's raining. Oh my God. Oh, I hate that. Oh my God, kidlat pa more.
You take cars, I'll take cars.
Where?
You take car.
It's right here. Okay, go lang. Oh, I hate that. Do we need to go?
Have to.
Yeah, do we have to go?
Not sometimes. It's a
Because it's... Oh, look at the rain man lang. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Okay, go.
Because there's a shade there.
It's okay,
Huh?
the car, it's
You
okay.
don't have to look at the pictures.
The
You
car
can
is
just
okay.
sit down and
Stay,
shake
okay?
and hear music.
Inside.
Okay.
The car's okay.
Maginaw siya, ha? Yung fairness. Yung payong namin ang late-late ra ba? Okay. Man, basa kita daring... Mabasa kita ang uga, ni. Hi, Ling. Grabe ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Hindi kami nakapunta kaagad sa school natin Paris kasi walang parking sa harapan at sobrang lakas ng ulan tapos lightning pa. So, we decided na mag-dinner na lang muna. Kasi open naman sila 8:30. Hanggang 8:30. So, hopefully, got honey chicken and rice. La. Noodles. We're finally here, guys. Grabe, sobrang ulan. Oh, tignan niyo. Ang kamera natin ay basa. So here it is. First ate. We'll see kung nasan yung kina-ate. So tignan nyo. Yeah, Halloween. Paris.
That's my pirate.
Yeah?
That's pretty cool.
That's a pirate.
Paris.
That's so cool. What else did you make? Oh, Paris.
Wow.
Wow, did you make that?
It's a Halloween.
Halloween, yeah. Halloween. Maybe he about this is PBM. Daddy, these are all PBM. Yeah, that's all PBM.
Look.
Oh, cool.
Save your sunflower.
Ah, okay. Which one? You like the pink? Yes, beautiful. That's Hannah. Oh, is this Halloween? Off she goes. Friends. Sorry. Wow. Super nice. Tingnan niyo, ate Pars natin na nandun na. Auction na sila, guys.
Yes, no?
Yan ang kanilang mga art.
110? Yeah, 110. Here we go. 110, looking for another 10 for 120. Who's got 120? Come on, parents, let's go. Do we go 120? Yes. Right, back at you with
There's more there.
There's
more.
Yes, I like it. Let's keep going. 130? 130? We're not going to 110.
You wanna bet it? You wanna bet?
It's a very beautiful piece of art. What if I get 140? 140. 140 bids with me.
Very booty. Ang ating Ate Paris ay gustong bumili ng ice cream. Oh my God. Ginaw. Tapos ice cream. Yeah. Okay. Mickey the Mouse. Okay. Yeah. Tell the lady you want the Mickey the Mouse.
Mickey the Mouse? Cup.
Please? Oh, just a small one. What's that, Lynn? What is it? Penguin. Penguin. Tignan niyo, guys. Oh my God. Nah, mga Peppa Pig ganing mga bataan eh.
I don't want my ice cream again.
La 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 la. Na, basa-basa pa more.